How to delete your profile on CapCut. If you are struggling to delete your profile, this video is for you. First, open CapCut. If you want to delete your account, just remember that all of your projects and all the activities you did in CapCut will be deleted permanently. So let's dive right into it. Go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on the setting icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on it, tap on manage accounts. Here, just scroll down. At the very bottom, you will be seeing delete account. Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you will be asked for verification. So just tap and continue. Tap and continue, and that's how your account will be verified. Now tap and delete account. Now once you tap on delete account, your account will be permanently deleted and your profile on CapCut will no longer be available. And that's all there is to it. Deleting a profile is super easy and simple process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.